Going to explain how to resolve a quadratic equation. So let's begin. In general, a quadratic equation is wrote like this: a x squared plus b x plus c. To resolve this equation, we have to use delta, and delta is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So for positive delta, we have two square roots. The first is equal to minus b minus square root of delta on 2a, and the second one is equal to minus b plus square root of delta on 2a. Okay, so this is for a positive delta. Now we are going to talk about the negative delta. Who drew this? I know it's clever. So, for delta equal to 0, there is only one square root that's equal to minus b on 2a. And finally, when delta is negative, there is no solutions, only for the real set. And in this class, I'm going today to present how to find the two complex square roots in the complex set. You have to know that in the complex set, I squared is equal to minus 1. I'm explaining that because in a complex set, when delta is negative, there is two square roots. The first is equal, like in the positive delta in real sets, you have minus b minus delta square root on 2a. But in complex sets, you have to take the absolute of delta. So this is like equal to minus b minus square root of minus 1 multiplied by the absolute of delta, delta on 2a. And like we said, I squared is equal to minus 1, so minus b minus I, because the square root of minus 1 is equal to I, multiply to square root of delta on 2a. So this is an example. X squared minus 4x plus 9 equal to 0. So now, Clément, come and resolve it.
Oh, whoa!
Okay,
Whoa!
you're so fast.
Oh.
So, Clément, resolve it.
Okay, so 1 squared is A, minus 4 is B, and 9 is C.
Good.
So, delta,
What's that? Okay.
so delta is equal to B squared minus 4AC. So B squared is minus 4 minus 4 times A, so 1 times C, 9. So delta minus 4 squared is equal to 16, minus 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, multiplied by 9 is 36. And 16 minus 46 is equal to minus 20.
Good. So we have here a negative delta. What do you know, Mr. Clément?
Okay, so we have delta is equal to minus 20. So x1 is equal to minus b minus square root of delta n to a. So minus b is equal to minus 4, so minus and minus is plus, so 4.
Good.
Thank you. Minus square root of delta. Delta is minus 20. Minus 20. On 2a, so 2 times 1 is 2. And this is equal to square root of 20 is square root of 20. Attends, here. Comment on square? And x2 is plus, so x2 we have 2 plus square root of minus 5. It's good, mister?
Okay, take a seat. Clément, 999! I didn't explain this. Mathis, come and explain what is the mistakes.
You didn't have to cut me off like that. Like it never that we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger, and I feel so low.
Okay, so here, so it was minus, but we know that it's minus 20, and a square root can't be a minus. So we use the absolute value, and it's minus the absolute value of the square root. So it's equals to minus b minus square root of minus 1 times absolute value of delta on to a, and it equals to minus b minus I square root of delta, of absolute value of delta on to a.
Okay.
And so it equals to minus so
4, yes,
it's
4.
4 minus I square root of 20 on 2, and it equals to so like he did, it was 4 minus I times 2 times square root of
5.
5.
Yes, 5.
5, yes. On to a.
Why?
And it's 2 minus I square root of 5.
Okay.
And for the x2, it's like this.
Okay, good job, Mathis. But the only mistake is that you put 2a.
Shit, I forgot.
No, don't worry. You understood what I teach you, not like other persons.